It was a quiet Tuesday morning, the kind where the world seems to hold its breath, waiting for something to happen. The city was just beginning to stir, sunlight creeping over rooftops and painting the streets in gold. But in a Kyoto lab, something extraordinary was unfolding, something that would ripple far beyond the city's borders. Inside, a team of scientists was on the verge of a discovery that could change how we see ourselves and the world around us. Years of research had gone into deciphering the mysterious language of sperm whales, creatures whose conversations spanned oceans, whose clicks and codas carried secrets older than any human civilization. These giants of the deep had always been enigmatic, their social lives hidden beneath the waves. Human efforts had only scratched the surface until the arrival of Cetos, an AI built to listen and learn. Unlike any tool before it, Cetos was designed not to impose human logic but to immerse itself in the rhythms and patterns of whale song. Cetos wasn't programmed with rules, it absorbed thousands of hours of whale sounds, finding patterns no human could detect. It learned not just the vocabulary, but the grammar, the context, the subtle inflections that gave meaning to every click and pause. It began to recognize individual whales, family groups, and the subtle shifts in their communication. It could distinguish a mother's call from a warning, a greeting from a song of mourning. The breakthrough was subtle, a gradual realization, not a sudden eureka. It crept in during late nights and long hours, as researchers noticed patterns emerging from the noise, a sense of understanding growing where before there had been only mystery. Dr. Eris Thorne asked Cetos, "What is the pod near the Azores discussing?" It was a simple question, but one that had never truly been answered before. After processing, Cetos replied, "They are coordinating a deep-dive hunt for giant squid, sharing information about the prey's location and the best approach." It also revealed that the adults were warning the young about a strong current, teaching them how to navigate the dangers of the deep. For the first time, we truly understood the whales, not just their sounds, but their intentions, their culture, their wisdom passed down through generations. This was more than a scientific achievement, it was a shift in our place in the universe. The boundary between human and animal, between technology and nature, had blurred. If we could talk to whales, what else might we one day understand? Could we learn from elephants, from birds, from the forests themselves? The possibilities seemed endless. Cetos had opened a door to a universe of voices, showing that intelligence is no longer just biological. It is something we can share, something we can build bridges with, across species and worlds. From that morning onward, everything had changed. The world felt larger, more connected, and full of new questions waiting to be answered. So, what is artificial intelligence? The term AI gets thrown around a lot, but what does it really mean? At its core, artificial intelligence is about creating machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. It's a field that blends computer science, mathematics, neuroscience, and even philosophy, all in pursuit of one goal: making machines that can think, learn, and adapt. It's not science fiction, it's the science of making machines smart. Instead of robots from the movies, most AI today is invisible, quietly working behind the scenes in our devices and services. AI means building systems that can learn, understand language, recognize images, and solve problems, tasks once reserved for humans. These systems can sift through mountains of data, spot patterns, and make decisions faster than any person could. Think of it as teaching a computer by example, not by rigid instructions. Instead of telling it exactly what to do, we show it examples and let it figure out the rules on its own. This is called machine learning. Show a computer 1,000,000 pictures of cats, and it learns to spot a cat on its own. The more data it sees, the better it gets, improving with every example. AI's power lies in its ability to learn and adapt. It can adjust to new information, change its approach, and even surprise us with creative solutions to complex problems. Most AI today is narrow, built for specific tasks like recommending movies, filtering spam emails, or translating whale clicks into data we can understand. Each system is designed for a particular job, and it excels at that one thing. These systems are tools, not conscious minds. They don't have feelings, desires, or self-awareness. They process information and follow patterns, but they don't think the way we do. The dream of artificial general intelligence, an AI that can do anything a human can, remains hypothetical. We're still far from machines that can truly reason, imagine, or understand the world as we do. For now, AI is a collection of specialized tools woven into our daily lives. From the apps on our phones to the smart devices in our homes, AI is quietly shaping the way we live, work, and connect. Understanding this distinction is crucial. It helps us set realistic expectations and appreciate the real, tangible benefits AI brings without getting lost in the hype. We're not creating new life, we're building technology that extends our own abilities. AI is a partner, amplifying what we can do, not replacing who we are. AI is a new kind of tool, one that learns, adapts, and amplifies human intellect. It's a bridge between human creativity and machine efficiency, opening doors to new possibilities. It's changing what's possible, one algorithm at a time. As we continue to innovate, AI will keep evolving, reshaping our world in ways we're only beginning to imagine. AI isn't just in labs, it's everywhere, quietly shaping our routines. When you unlock your phone with your face, AI is at work. Predictive text, curated news feeds, and personalized recommendations, all powered by AI. It's your digital curator, learning your preferences with every click and scroll. Shopping online, AI suggests products you might like. Ask a smart speaker for the weather. AI interprets your request. Even your car uses AI for navigation and safety features. AI analyzes real-time traffic, finds the fastest route, and keeps you safe on the road. This invisible web of intelligence makes life safer, more convenient, and more personal. Most of us use AI every day, often without even realizing it. Work is changing. AI is now a digital partner, not just a tool. Across industries, artificial intelligence is transforming how we approach our daily tasks and long-term goals. Instead of simply automating processes, AI is becoming an integral part of decision-making and collaboration, working alongside humans to solve complex problems. It automates repetitive tasks, freeing humans for creativity and critical thinking. By handling routine work, AI allows employees to focus on innovation, strategy, and building relationships, areas where human skills truly shine. This shift is making workplaces more dynamic and engaging. In finance and law, AI analyzes vast data sets, detecting fraud or finding legal precedent in seconds. This not only increases efficiency but also helps professionals make more informed decisions, reducing errors and improving outcomes for clients and businesses alike. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots spot defects and ensure quality. They can monitor production lines in real time, predict maintenance needs, and even suggest improvements, leading to safer workplaces and higher quality products. New jobs are emerging: AI trainers, data scientists, and ethicists. These roles focus on teaching AI systems, interpreting data, and ensuring ethical use of technology, opening up exciting career paths that didn't exist a decade ago. Like the automobile created new industries, AI is reshaping the job landscape. Entire sectors are evolving, and new businesses are being built around AI-driven solutions, just as cars once revolutionized transportation and manufacturing. The future isn't jobless, it's different jobs. As technology advances, workers are shifting into roles that require adaptability, creativity, and collaboration with intelligent machines. Routine roles may fade, but new opportunities arise. Employees are reskilling and upskilling to stay relevant, embracing change as a chance to grow and contribute in new ways. Lifelong learning and adaptability are key. Continuous education, whether through formal classes or on-the-job training, empowers workers to thrive in an AI-enhanced environment. The goal: collaborate with AI, not compete. By working together, humans and machines can achieve more than either could alone, driving progress and innovation. The most valuable workers will leverage AI to amplify their own ingenuity. Those who embrace technology as a partner will lead the way in shaping the future of work. Human insight, paired with machine power, will define the future of work. Together we can build workplaces that are smarter, more inclusive, and full of opportunity for everyone. Nowhere is AI's impact more personal than in healthcare. AI helps doctors see deeper, analyzing millions of scans to spot disease with remarkable accuracy. It acts as a second set of eyes, catching what humans might miss. AI accelerates drug discovery, simulating thousands of trials and designing new molecules. This means faster, more effective treatments for diseases once thought incurable. Wearable devices use AI to monitor our health in real time, warning us of issues before symptoms appear. Medicine shifts from treating illness to maintaining wellness. AI makes healthcare more personal, accessible, and proactive. It's a digital health guardian, democratizing care for all. The future of medicine is smarter, faster, and more human, thanks to AI. Education is evolving. AI is making learning personal. No more one-size-fits-all classrooms. AI adapts to each student's pace and style. AI-powered tutors identify where students struggle and provide custom exercises. Visual learners get diagrams, hands-on learners get simulations. Language translation AI opens global resources to anyone, anywhere. AI creates tools for students with disabilities, breaking down barriers. Teachers are freed to inspire and mentor, while AI handles routine tasks. The teacher becomes a guide, not just a lecturer. AI democratizes education, making mastery possible for every learner. The heart of education remains human, but AI is the engine driving it forward. With AI's power comes responsibility. The same AI that helps can also harm. Autonomous weapons, filter bubbles, and bias are real risks. AI learns from our data. If that data is biased, so is the AI. Ensuring fairness and eliminating bias is a critical ethical challenge. Privacy is another concern. AI needs data, but who controls it? Without transparency, we risk a surveillance society. As AI decisions grow complex, accountability becomes vital. We must ensure AI remains explainable and under human control. The future of AI depends on the choices we make today. We stand at the edge of a new era. AI's future is both thrilling and uncertain. Soon, AI will be everywhere. Smart homes anticipating our needs, cities managed for efficiency and sustainability. AI will become an invisible utility, as essential as electricity. It could become a creative partner, collaborating with artists and scientists. AI may help solve the universe's deepest mysteries, from physics to the search for extraterrestrial life. What was once science fiction is now within reach. AI's potential is to deepen our understanding of the world and ourselves. It's a tool that extends not just our hands, but our minds. The story of AI is the story of us. Our ingenuity, our choices, our future. We are responsible for how this new intelligence is used. The future is built, not given. Algorithm by algorithm, AI can help solve humanity's greatest challenges, if guided wisely. Collaboration across disciplines and nations is essential. Education is our compass, teaching not just how to use AI but how to think about it. An informed public is our best defense against misuse. If we infuse AI with our best values, it can be a force for good. With care, AI can help us heal, create, and discover our place in the cosmos. The future is calling, and with AI as our companion, we can answer with hope.